Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About 3x, I can put into x plus 2x. Next, we can do about factorization by x. This one by number 2. Next, we can do another factorization by s plus 1. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about capital A over s plus 2, capital B over s plus 1. Next, we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s plus 1, so capital A multiplied by s plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s plus 2, so capital B multiplied by s plus 2. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s, we have a plus b. About the numbers, we have a plus 2b. Now we need to compare coefficients. We have 3s, that means number 3 equals to a plus b. About the numbers, we have number 2, so a plus 2b equals to number 2. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A and B. So A equals to number 4, B equals to negative number 1. And now we need to put number 4 and negative number 1 going here. So A equals to number 4, B equals to negative number 1. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.